Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video we take a look at the top 3 best and most beautiful themes for your device, for your Samsung Galaxy A53. After watching this video, don't forget to write in the comments what theme you like the most. So first we need to open the Galaxy theme store, and to do this we go to Settings app and select Themes here. And on the third place in our top is EID eLegends Gold. So choose search button and find here EID eLegends Gold. Open it and download. Tap apply. So this theme for solid and serious people. In addition to putting a gold wallpaper on your home screen and lock screen, this theme redraws all app icons, but that's not all. It also redraws your phone application and settings menu. And it looks good. So this was third place in our top, but in second place is a mobile theme that called Water Sky UX. To install it, open Theme Store and find here Water Style UX. Find it, download it, and apply the theme. So cool. This is a beautiful water style theme with really minimalistic icons and smooth colors. This theme redraws all icons in its own special water style, and it looks great. The colors are soft and pleasing, and the icons are clear and simple. So that was second place in our top, but in my humble opinion, the best theme for your phone is Purple Starry Night UX. To install it, open Themes and find Purple Starry Night UX. Download it and apply. So cool. As you can see, the theme brings new light colors to your system. They looks good without being annoying. This theme has everything: nice wallpapers, redrawed icons, nice tones, and even redrawed phone application, redrawed keyboard application, and it looks really good. And of course, this theme takes the first place of our top. So don't forget to write in the comments which theme you like the most. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you. Bye.